and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June, and in today's segment we will talk about the Supreme Court again affirming that general bail norms will apply even in stringent PMLA cases. The Supreme Court has affirmed that regardless of the stringent nature of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA), courts must adhere to the legal framework, especially in granting bail to those who are sick or infirm. Emphasizing the significance of the proviso to Section 45 of the PMLA, a bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud asserted that PMLA's rigor does not negate the right of sick or infirm individuals under the law. However stringent PMLA is, we have to act in accordance with the law. If someone is sick or infirm, they can be granted bail, said the bench, also comprising of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra. The top court reaffirmed that the law's proviso, as outlined in Section 45, provides a legal pathway for bail based on health conditions, even within the framework of the strict statutes such as the PMLA. The court's pronouncement came as the bench granted interim bail to Amar Sadhuram Moolchandani, former chairman of Seva Vikas Cooperative Bank, who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on charges of money laundering. The bench took note of Moolchandani's medical condition, deeming it appropriate for him to be let out on bail. With its observation, the Supreme Court has underscored a significant aspect of the PMLA's proviso, recognizing the rights of individuals with serious health issues to secure bail and receive necessary care outside the prison environment. Moolchandani, arrested in July 2023, faces charges related to the generation and layering of proceeds of crime amounting to Rs 429.57 crore. His counsel, Senior Advocate Mukul Rohatgi, highlighted his serious health issues, and the bench reviewed a recent medical report confirming the need for intensive care. The ED suggested transferring Moolchandani to JJ Hospital to address his health needs, but the Supreme Court noted that hospitalization is not a substitute for bail under PMLA. It pointed out that the access to adequate medical care within government hospitals does not replace the legal provisions for bail, and when health concerns qualify an individual for such relief. The law is clear: the sick or infirm can be granted bail. To admit them to government hospitals is not the answer, observed the court, emphasizing that Moolchandani's condition warranted interim relief under the PMLA. The bench also addressed a request from senior counsel A.N.S. Nadkarni, representing an intervener, who suggested that the court specify in its order that Moolchandani's bail should be subjected to revocation if he violates any conditions. The bench declined to add such a provision, stating that in the event of any violation, the ED could seek recourse from the trial court or return to the Supreme Court. The Bombay High Court has denied Moolchandani's bail in August despite his prolonged hospitalization on grounds that his health was showing improvement. The High Court ordered his readmittance to the Mumbai's central prison but directed jail authorities to ensure he received appropriate medical attention. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. For more such informative content, subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices.